internet friends. This is a Radio Shack TRS-80 video display from February 1977. I think it's February. And there's the connector that connects to the TRS-80 Model 1 computer, which I'll probably show in a later video. This is a repair program in that this thing, it turns on, but the signal does not appear on the monitor. It's just a white screen, blank white screen. So it does come on, the CRT does work apparently. It doesn't display what you input into this connector. So we're gonna try to figure it out. Next clip. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me or not. Put the microphone up here on this Color 64. So it takes these, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. It's got 5 of these screws with like a hexagon nut on it. So I used one of these screwdrivers that without a tip in it, and it works perfectly. So that worked out. Now lifting it up, maybe. Any of the screws. It's cardboard in there. Let's see. That is old. That is an old TV. And apparently that's what this monitor was. It was an old TV. And so what Radio Shack did was they simply, this is an old RCA TV, there's a label right there. So Radio Shack just basically rebadged it, I think they had a deal with Radio Shack, but apparently, of course. So, but anyways, I got to find the video. Okay, there's the video in. So it's going into this board. Oh, I hope there's not something wrong with that board. There probably is, but I don't know. Looks like there's some kind of repair. There's something going on. This cable. Of course you can't see it, but alright, next clip. Alright, I haven't turned this on yet, but I think I found the problem. There's like a smaller board that attaches to the main board in this monitor, and it was simply kind of not all the way pushed in. So I'm hoping that was it, because that's the board that the video goes into. So I got the Model 1 connected up. The Model 1's got a problem. I think it's I don't remember what the chip does. It's like it's not a timing chip. It's like a multiplexer chip or something. I'm not sure, but I think I know what's wrong with this. So I got a chip coming in the mail that hopefully will fix this. But it will display a screen full of garbage. So we should get some kind of output from this to this. I hope the monitor don't explode. All right. I'm applying power to the surge protector. I'm gonna turn on the monitor. See if it comes up. I don't see anything smoking. Okay, there's the screen. Apply power to the Model 1. Dude! Awesome. That was the only problem with it. Wow. Man, that screen looks good. Actually, well, it's garbage, but that's fantastic. So, monitor's fixed. I'm going to zoom in on the monitor and show you what I did to fix it. It was basically not, you know, I was kind of hoping it was going to be really easy to fix, you know, because I got like 1,000 things to work on, literally, well, a lot. And it's like, man, I really don't want to work on this today. You know, old TVs and monitors are dangerous. You know, they got like tens of thousands of volts, you know, stored up in the tube, and you know, I just didn't feel like, you know, risking it. You know what I mean? And so I'm thankful that it works. You know, and I don't have to like really like start messing with it and stuff. So, wow. All right. Next clip. Alrighty. So the first thing I did was I used my multimeter to check the connection between the end of these pins, this connector, to where they're going in at down here. All right. So I did that, and I was getting a good connection, you know. So okay, wasn't that? What it was this card. Let me make sure this thing's unplugged. All right. So this card right here was, this down here was unplugged, right down there. It's got two connectors. One right here. I don't know if you can see that. I want to stick my finger down there. I have no pointy thing. So anyway, right there, hiding in the shadows there, there's another connector. So it's got two connectors that connect it to the main board. You know, this board right here. And it was simply loose, and that was it. So that is super cool, you know. Super easy peasy. I like that. You know, if everything was that easy to fix. Man, this thing is old. You know something? Since this is a, let me zoom out a little bit. And over. So I think this is a 12-inch CRT. Oh, dude. The rubber cap is missing on the, oh no. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's dangerous. Right here, there's supposed to be a rubber cap on the CRT and it's gone. Oh, that's not good. Anyway, it's possible that I could replace this CRT with the green CRT from the TTL monitor that I was working on. I'm not going to do it. I mean, this is originally a black and white display, and so it should remain a black and white display, right? But if I wanted to, I probably could, because the connector up here is 7 pin. I think I could swap it out. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, so that's going to be the end of this video. So normally the parts that are right here on the end of the tube, there's usually a little circuit board. So apparently that stuff is on the main circuit board. This monitor's old, so maybe that's why. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. I'll talk to you guys later. For more content, you can visit www.scottyanimations.com. There's a lot more stuff on there.